This was supposed to be a tasting video, but it's turned into a Petey versus Dragonfruit. Petey approves the outside. Okay, here we go. Wow. Pete, what do you think? Dragonfruit. Look at all the seeds in there. Do you want to try it? Yeah. He's scared of it. Whoa, no. Petey says no. I know it's just called a dragon. Ah! He's on my head. Here, one more. Oh, come. He finally tried it after I ate it in front of him. It's good. I put it back on the plate and he still won't go near it. He likes it and he wants it, but there's something scary about it, Jim. Here. Look at that, the butter.